yeah, the knowledge of aerobatics in an airplane did help a lot to understand, yeah, what should I do about saying that it works on a body. But that's a copy-paste of an airplane, just overwhelming that I would like to leave them. I exit the helicopter, that's about 130 pounds. Yeah, it's heavy. But as, for example, like a fish, it's exactly the same. I'm heavy as long as I have the gravity. Once I'm in, you should be completely relaxed because if able, and you should be fluid. So, okay, I did learn with training and also from my past, and that's one of the best moments, you know. You are becoming from the status of a stone to the status of a bird, and that's.
They are JetCat engines from Germany. They are world leaders in...
To feel the speed. Noise in the...
That's the goal of the whole project. He wants to fly. The only kind of control he has is that he can turn with the thumb between full power and idle.
I know, so as soon as my engines are stabilized idle, now that I know Oshkosh, I am even more because well, when I see the spectrum, the large spectrum that exists here, Swiss guy, other side of the Atlantic, I was so warmly welcomed. You know, I can only say again.